50 English Literature MCQs. Question number 1. Who among the following is called the father of English poetry? Correct option is A. Geoffrey Chaucer. Question number 2. Paradise Lost was first published in which year? Correct option is B. 1667. Question number 3. The line "to be or not to be" occurs in which act and scene of Hamlet? Correct option is C. Act 3, Scene 1. Question number 4. Who is the author of Areopagitica? Correct option is C. John Milton. Question number 5. The term metaphysical poets was first used by? Correct option is A. Samuel Johnson. Question number 6. The play Dr. Faustus was written by? Correct option is A. Christopher Marlowe. Question number 7. Who wrote a portrait of the artist as a young man? Correct option is B. James Joyce. Question number 8. The line "Beauty is truth, truth beauty" appears in which poem? Correct option is B. Ode on a Grecian urn. Question number 9. Rape of the Lock is written in which poetic form? Correct option is B. Heroic couplet. Question number 10. Tess of the D'Urbervilles was written by? Correct option is B. Thomas Hardy. Question number 11. The subtitle of Frankenstein is? Correct option is B. The Modern Prometheus. Question number 12. Ulysses is a novel by? Correct option is A. James Joyce. Question number 13. The Waste Land is dedicated to? Correct option is A. Ezra Pound. Question number 14. Who wrote The Pilgrim's Progress? Correct option is B. John Bunyan. Question number 15. Which of the following plays is not written by Shakespeare? Correct option is B. The Jew of Malta. Question number 16. The term stream of consciousness is associated with? Correct option is B. Virginia Woolf. Question number 17. Who wrote The Rape of Lucrece? Correct option is B. William Shakespeare. Question number 18. The Romantic age in English literature began with? Correct option is A. Wordsworth's preface to lyrical ballads. Question number 19. A thing of beauty is a joy forever is taken from? Correct option is A. Endymion. Question number 20. Who wrote Pride and Prejudice? Correct option is C. Jane Austen. Question number 21. The Second Coming is written by? Correct option is A. W. B. Yeats. Question number 22. Who wrote The Importance of Being Earnest? Correct option is B. Oscar Wilde. Question number 23. Who is the protagonist of Paradise Lost? Correct option is C. Satan. Question number 24. Who wrote The Fairy Queen? Correct option is B. Edmund Spenser. Question number 25. The Victorian age roughly corresponds to which years? Correct option is C. 1837 to 1901. Question number 26. Waiting for Godot is a play by. Correct option is B. Samuel Beckett. Question number 27. The phrase Brave New World is borrowed from. Correct option is B. The Tempest. Question number 28. Who wrote the Canterbury Tales? Correct option is C. Geoffrey Chaucer. Question number 29. The first English tragedy is. Correct option is A. Gorboduc. Question number 30. Door Beach was written by. Correct option is A. Matthew Arnold. Question number 31. Who is John Keats' Nightingale addressing? Correct option is B. Abel. Question number 32. She Walks in Beauty was written by. Correct option is A. Byron. Question number 33. Hard Times is a novel by. Correct option is C. Charles Dickens. Question number 34. The Good Morrow is a poem by. Correct option is B. John Donne. Question number 35. Who wrote the Rime of the Ancient Mariner? Correct option is B. Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Question number 36. The preface to Shakespeare was written by. Correct option is B. Samuel Johnson. Question number 37. The Prelude is an autobiographical poem by. Correct option is A. Wordsworth. Question number 38. Sweet Thames, run softly till I end my song is written by. Correct option is B. Edmund Spenser. Question number 39. Who is the author of The Alchemist play? Correct option is A. Ben Jonson. Question number 40. The novel 1984 was written by. Correct option is B. George Orwell. Question number 41. The Duchess of Malfi was written by. Correct option is A. John Webster. Question number 42. Who wrote Sons and Lovers? Correct option is A. D. H. Lawrence. Question number 43. Lord of the Flies was written by. Correct option is B. William Golding. Question number 44. Who is the protagonist of King Lear? Correct option is B. Lear. Question number 45. An essay on men is written by. Correct option is B. Alexander Pope. Question number 46. Death Be Not Proud is a poem by. Correct option is A. John Donne. Question number 47. The Mayor of Casterbridge was written by. Correct option is A. Thomas Hardy. Question number 48. Who wrote The Tempest? Correct option is C. William Shakespeare. Question number 49. A Tale of Two Cities opens with which famous line? Correct option is B. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. Question number 50. The Old Man and the Sea was written by. Correct option is B. Ernest Hemingway.